Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my Walmart box. Finally. Long story, but it's here. To see what I got, stay tuned. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, first off, I'd like to say welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you like unboxing and shopping haul videos. That is what I do on my channel. And to all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Okay, now the story about the Walmart box. You know, some people complain that they were getting 2 boxes instead of 1. Well, I got the opposite complaint. I was getting no boxes. Somehow they just canceled my subscription. I don't even know why. I'm watching everybody get their Walmart boxes and I'm like, where's mine? So I finally got tired of it, went online and had to re-sign up, but it's here now. So hopefully they don't cancel me again. But anyway, this is a fun box. It's only $5 a month and I will leave the link down below if you'd like to sign up for it. I think they're going to increase it though. I recently got an email and I think it said something, don't quote me, but I'm thinking something like $6.49, maybe $6.99. I don't know, somewhere in that area. But okay, let's see what came in this box because I have not the slightest idea. And here's what it looks like. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. I mean, you can't beat this for $5, right? You get a little postcard right here. It says Walmart Beauty, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. It looks like it has a product description of everything that I could get in this box. And what it says, oh, I like it. The weather outside might be frightful, but our selection of super hydrating skincare and more is so delightful. Hashtag Walmart Beauty Box to share your box. Each box contains 6 products based on your beauty profile. Okay. Box assortments will vary, so that's why they got so many products listed in that description. But this is, if you want to look at it, this is everything that you could possibly receive depending on how you filled out the beauty profile. Oh, very good. Yes, I'm glad with this. This is the Carousel. And what this is an intensive foot repair. And this is a 1-ounce size. And the value of this is $7.84. So that's more than the box. And it says intensive foot repair. Visible results in 1 day. It loosens hard, dry skin to exfoliate and deeply moisturize. Softens severely and cracked heels and dry skin. So, come on, that is great. Especially going into springtime, we want our feet to look good, don't we? Okay. Okay, well, here's a little baby sample. And this is Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. I'll hold that up for you. And this is clinically proven to improve dry skin with a unique formula that helps sink right in, helping to relieve uncomfortable dryness for all skin types. So that is great. You can tell the way I filled out my beauty profile. Dry skin, cracked. The first 2 items out. They know I have dry skin. And then they know I'm anxiety prone. Which I am. And I've used this before. This is pretty good. And it actually kind of tastes pretty good. I mean, it's not great, but it's not bad. This is Calm, and let me see what they say about this. Okay, well, this is not even listed in here. But the main ingredient in this is magnesium, and that's what helps calm us down. And the other ingredients are natural lemon flavor, organic natural raspberry flavor, and organic stevia. And it says, start by placing 1 packet in a cup or mug, add 2 or 3 ounces of warm water and let your drink fizz. So I like these. I like taking these at night to help me sleep a little bit and to calm down and relax. More dry skin stuff, guys. This is Cetaphil Healthy Glow Daily Cream. Deep hydration. This lightweight cream provides deep 48-hour hydration that improves the overall quality of sensitive skin over time. Well, I don't have sensitive skin, but I have dry skin, and it says deep hydration, but that's what it looks like. And my hands are dry right now. Feels good. I enjoy Cetaphil. I've used many of their products. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh man, yes. Number 7. I have been wanting to try this. This is number 7 Retinol, 1.5% complex night concentrate. Experience the power of retinol while minimizing irritation with the skin transforming overnight treatment. And I have heard multiple good things about this, so I'm excited to try this and make sure I don't have any bad reactions to it. But I already do a retinol, so my skin is pretty tough. It usually can handle it. But it says lines look smoother, skin tone looks even, skin appears firm and lifted, skin appears brighter and more radiant. Your basic stuff that all your retinols do. And, oh, this might be good for my next Mask Monday. Okay. And this is Superfruits Watermelon Sheet Mask. Watermelon Sheet Mask. And I see nothing on here about a watermelon sheet mask. So we are just going to read about this. Superfruits Watermelon Sheet Mask. Superfruits are packed with rejuvenating vitamins that help boost skin's natural radiance. Watermelon sheet mask is infused with watermelon fruit extracts that hydrates the skin and sodium hyaluronic that helps plump and boost skin's radiance. So here's going to be my Monday mask, ladies. So I will definitely be using this. Oh, and here's a little brochure about Calm Vitality. Okay, so let's show you once again. Let's go over what was in the box. We have my hydrating watermelon mask that I will be using on next Mask Monday. We have the number 7 retinol cream that I've been hearing so many good things about and can't wait to try. I have the Cetaphil, what is that? Cetaphil Healthy Glow Daily Cream. We have the Calm Magnesium. We have the foot repair product and also some bio oil to put on at night. It looks like probably you get to try it for one time. So overall, not bad for $5 as long as they don't cancel me again. I really hope they don't cancel me again. I don't even know why they did that. Have you had any trouble with your Walmart beauty boxes? Has anyone else had their boxes canceled on them? I would just like to know if I'm the only one. Okay, well, have a nice day and I'll see you on my next video. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah.